This 2025 Gulf Stream Conquest 6320D is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Myers, Florida, 33905 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World, Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 29 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2025 Gulf Stream Conquest 6320D is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.